Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin and Ethereums. Okay, the sequence may be different, but I will tell you that how the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin and Litecoin have performed last week and how they can perform in this particular week. See, if you look at this chart, what you can see that the Bitcoin was continuously in this particular range. Okay, and still see this level is very important, 28,638. Keep this in mind, and it has come at a level of 29,173 also. Okay, which is a July low, and even you can say it's been from March also. It is the low which it has made, and now it is continuously on a more upside thing. See, if you look at this range, this particular range, the high we can see is at around 32,940 and a low we can see is at around 31,722. Okay, so now this range was from 21st July and now it has moved a high, and now this particular range has become important. Okay, and I've already told you that if it goes around 32 we can buy at this particular. Okay, but that is my personal view. It has reached at a level of 33,848. Okay, so this range has break upside, and see, look at this range, and I've already told you that this range already tested here, so chances will be very high that it can break this range and can make a high, and it made a high of around 33,979. Okay, so what we can see here that this range is moving towards upside. Okay, and we can see that it will hit now a particular resistance and it can bounce back, or it can go on a much higher thing. If you have any doubt regarding Bitcoin, please mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Okay, please watch the full video, then you will understand. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link in the description. Look at this chart. What we can see here that 32,490 was a big range. Okay, we can say 32,854 was also big range, and once this range break upside we can see a good upside targets. See, now it is around 33,848 and the high of this particular range is 33,979. If it cross upside, then we can see a level of 34,243, and from there we can see a level of 34,706. Okay, and if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 35,136, and then we can see a level of 35,566, and then 35,996, and so on. But suppose if didn't sustain this level, okay, then it can go 33,611, and from there it can go to a level of 32,899. And if it goes below this level, then we can see that it can go further low, but it has to, if it sustain this level, then what we can see here that it can go upside. If it didn't sustain this level, then it can go further low to a level of 31,888, and then we can see all these. Okay, so if it sustain above a level of 32,667, then we can see more upside targets in this. Okay, and now this range is also break a level of 33,340, so we can see more further upside in the Bitcoin if it didn't break a level of 33,300. Okay, if we talk about Dogecoin, look at the Dogecoin chart, we can see that now the Dogecoin has made a low, okay, of around 0.15, and from there now it is in this particular range. Okay, the range high I can tell you means this particular range, not a particular this high, is around 0.199 or 0.2000600, and a low of around 0.18232. Okay, so now it is trading at around 0.1938. so suppose if it goes to this level, and this level is already tested twice, so chances will be very high, 0.020055. okay, then chances are very high that it can touch a level of 0.2500, and from there it can touch a level of, okay, this level also. Okay, and this level is also tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 0.2149 if it move upside, or if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 0.22030, and from there we can see a level of 0.229255. Suppose if it didn't sustain this level, okay, and chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 0.19511, Okay, see, it has come down to this level, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 0.1921437. Okay, and this level is very important, because if this support breaks down, then we can see a level of 0.1871. okay, and from there we can see a level of 0.18323, and then if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 0.177298, and if it didn't sustain that level, then we can see a level of 0.169 also. Okay, and can go further low. So you have to remember that this range, if it breaks upside downside, we can see good upside and downside movement. Okay, but as of now, if it breaks upside, I'm looking at a upside break and can go further high. If we talk about Ethereum, see, now Ethereum, if we look at this chart, it is in an uptrend. Okay, and if you look at this trend also, the range is broke upside. Now in this particular range, a high we can see around 2149, and low we can see it around 2112. So what we can see here is, suppose if it breaks a level of, comes close to around 2149, then it can go further high and can touch a level of 2177, and if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 2197, or if it didn't sustain that level, then we can see a level of 2243. okay, suppose if didn't sustain this level, if it goes below a level of 2123, then it can touch a level of 2095, and from there it can touch a level of 2041. okay, suppose if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 2021, and if it goes more below that level, then we can see a level of 1998. But see, this is a very crucial, 2095 is a very crucial support. So if this level is sustained, then we can see a good upside movement. If it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 2046 very soon, or then 1998 very soon. I have made a previous video. If it goes below that level, you can check that video. See, okay, now I'll talk to you about Litecoin. See, now Litecoin is in a full mood of going upside. Okay, if you look at this chart, what we can see is that Litecoin made a low of around 116, okay, and made a high of around 122. In this particular range I'm talking about. Now we can see a strong, see, a W pattern is creating on the upside. So what we can see here, till the time it is upside of 124, then we can see there can be more upside movement in the Litecoin. Okay, a range, a high it has made of for 127 and a low of around 126. Suppose if it crosses 127, because this level is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 129, and from there it can touch a level of 132. okay, and further high it can touch a level of 133, and if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 134 also. okay, suppose if it break this level downside, comes below a level of 126, then it can touch a level of 124, and if it goes below that level 121, and then from there we can see a level of 118, and then for the low of 115. But as of now, if till the time it didn't break a level of 122, we are on the upper side of this Litecoin. But see, all, if hope you like the video. If you have any doubt, please mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or given mail ID in the description. You can mail me, we can discuss one-on-one, or you can book appointment also. Thank you. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.